In this video, I will show you how to create your Amazon KDP account. So the first thing you're going to do is to go to your web browser and type in kdp.amazon.com. And then since you're just creating an account for the first time, you're going to click on sign up. If you already have an Amazon account, you can simply sign in with your Amazon account details, right? Your email and your password for your Amazon account. You just use it to sign in. But if you don't have accounts, let's just assume you want to create a KDP account for the first time. Just simply come over here and click on sign up. Then you're going to click on create your KDP account. So now I'm going to put in all these details. I already have a KDP account. I'm just trying to create this particular account to show you exactly how to create your own KDP account. So I'm just going to put in a name, then I'll put my email address, then I'll put a password, then I'll re-enter the password. Then click on create your KDP account. Now the next step is for you to verify your email address. So actually I'm going to go to my email to get the OTP for this particular account so I can verify the email address. So now this is actually the OTP that Amazon have sent to my email. So I'm just simply going to copy this particular OTP. So I'll come over here and paste it. Then I'll click on create your Amazon account. So the next step is for you to verify your mobile number. So actually you're going to just put in your phone number. Make sure you put in your correct phone number. Click on this drop down arrow to select your country. So I'm going to select Nigeria, and then you now put in your mobile number. So I'm going to put in my phone number right now. Make sure you put in the correct phone number. Then after putting in your phone number, just click on send OTP. So I'm going to enter the OTP right now. So I've entered the OTP. I'm just going to click on continue. Then you're going to click on I agree. This is the terms and conditions. Now, after creating your Amazon KDP account, the next step is now for you to update your information. So you're going to click on update now to be able to update your information. So I'm going to click on update now. So I'm going to start updating the information right now. So the first one is the business type. So you're going to select individual, your date of birth. So you add your date of birth, and then you now put in your country. So they'll ask you to put in your legal name. So make sure you put in your correct name. Very, very important, so that when you want to fill in your payment method, it will rhyme with your payment method. If it doesn't rhyme with it, then they will not pay you. So I'm going to put in a name here. Then you put in your address number 1. Then you can put in the address number 2, but it's optional. Then you put in your city. Then you fill in your state or province or region. So for Nigeria, it's state. So I'm going to put in the states right now. Then your postal code. So if you don't know your postal code, just simply go to Google and then type in postal code and the city you are in, and then you see different postal codes that are available. Just copy any one you want to use and paste it there. Then put in your phone number. Then after filling in your information, the next thing you're not going to put in is your payment details, right? So they will ask you to provide your bank information to receive electronic royalty payments. Where is your bank? I've already created a video on how to create a Payoneer account. So I already have a Payoneer account, and I created a US bank account, and that is what I'm going to be using here. So if you don't know how to create a Payoneer account, I'm just going to link the video in the description below. Make sure you watch the video to learn how to create a Payoneer account, so you can be able to create a US account to use on your Amazon KDP account. Where is your bank? I'm going to be selecting United States. Since I created a US bank account in my Payoneer account, right, I'm going to be using that particular account details for this. So account holder name. So make sure that this name you're going to put here is the same name on your Payoneer account. So I'm going to put in the name right now. Type of account. If you created your account with Payoneer, you're going to be selecting checking account. Then your account number, and then you re-enter the account number again. And then from that Payoneer account, you're going to be getting what is called a routing number. So it's already there on your Payoneer account. Once you create your US bank account, they're going to give you all this information here. So simply go to your Payoneer, get all those information, and come here and put it here. As you can see here, you are set up to receive payments for sales across all Amazon marketplaces. That's because I've copied my account details from my Payoneer account, and then I've pasted all of them here. That was how I was able to add my bank details. So I'm going to click on save to save those particular bank details. Now the next thing is for me to now complete my tax information. This is where a lot of you are having issues. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you little tricks that will help you to fill in your tax information correctly without having any issue. I'm going to click on complete tax information. So now I'm going to start completing the tax information. Your tax classification is individual. Then are you a US citizen? You're going to select no. Now they will ask you, are you acting as an intermediary agent or other person receiving payment on behalf of another person? You're going to select no. Then they will now ask you, put in your full name. Make sure you put put in your correct legal name, your full name. Then select your country of citizenship. So in this case, I'm going to select Nigeria. Then you put in your permanent address and then your mailing address. Now, they will now ask you, put in your TIN value. So I have a non-US TIN. Very, very important, because remember, you are not a US citizen, right? So if you don't have a tax identification number, just get any of your valid ID card. It can be your driving license or your voter's card or your national identification number or any valid ID card you have. Just get the number on your ID card, right? Your valid ID card, and put here as your TIN value. As you can see here, I just put in the number on my driving license, and you can see now this place is now highlighted. I'm going to click on continue. Then they will now ask you to select the country of your tax residency. Just select your country. For me, I'm going to select Nigeria, and then I'll click on confirm. Now, once you click on confirm, they will now ask you to sign and submit. Then I'm just going to scroll down. You'll see all their terms and conditions, right? And then click on I certify that I have the capacity to sign for the person identified. Then I'll put in my signature. You can just put in your full name, right, as your signature. You say type your full name. So just type in your full name. Make sure it's the same name on your account number. Remember, I'm just going to type in my full name here. Then you select the dates. So this is the correct date. And then you click on save and preview. So once you click on save and preview, all the details will just come out. Once it comes out, just click on submit form, and you are done with updating your information on your KDP account. And you can now go ahead to start publishing on Amazon KDP. If you found this video useful, then you might consider clicking on the video on the screen right now to watch the next video on how to create your Payoneer account. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Then enable your notifications so you don't miss out on any video I post on this channel. See you next time. Bye.